This is caramelized braised sweet pork. Throughout the world, there's different ways of making this. In Khmer is called, Vietnamese is Thịt called. In Thai, they have a different version, similar version called Palo. Thom Khem. This is like the ultimate comfort meal. Pork belly, just melts. I had it simmering for a couple hours. That sauce, the egg is so good. I always go for the egg. Ooh, my favorite. Sweet and savory dish. Piece of that pork belly gives me like food coma, but it's so worth it. Sauce in the pork belly. So good. The egg. I like a little spice in mine. I'm gonna put some chili powder. Can't go wrong with this. Some rice, pork belly.